All right, in this section, we're going to continue talking about how we can use a chi-square test for categorical data, but now we're going to start comparing multiple variables and multiple populations. So in all of this section, we're going to be dealing with two-way tables and just trying to determine if there is a relationship between two variables or two populations. All right, so let's just go ahead and start looking at example and get a sense of the type of setting that we're going to be in. Then we'll develop how we can do a significance test for it. Here it says market researchers suspect that background music may affect the mood and buying behavior of customers. One study in a European restaurant compared 3 randomly assigned treatments: no music, French accordion music, and Italian string music. Under each condition, the researchers recorded the number of customers who ordered French, Italian, and other entrees. Here is a table that summarizes the data. So they're trying to see if there is some sort of relationship between the type of music that's playing in the background with the type of entree that the customers will order. So let's look at the 3 parts here. We've seen two-way tables before here. Just a reminder here. We have marginal distributions along the sides, and then each column or row is a conditional distribution. All right, so let's look at A. Calculate the conditional distribution in proportions or percentages of entrees ordered for each treatment. So that is, if no music is playing, what are the proportions of French entrees, Italian entrees, and other entrees? So let's come over here. I've got the table started for us. If no music is playing, what percentage of people ordered a French entree? So that's this cell right here, 30 people who ordered a French entree when no music was playing, out of a total group of 84 people who ordered an entree when no music was playing. So we're looking for 30 out of 84, which is about 36%. Okay, and that's what we're trying to do here for all of these cells. We're just computing what percentage of people in that setting for that type of music ordered which type of entrees. So when no music was playing, the 11 people ordered Italian out of the 84 who were listening to no music, which leaves 13% which is 13% of the people who were listening to no music. Then the last one we want to figure out, 43 ordered some other kind of entree, which is 51%. So this is our conditional distribution in proportions or percentages for entrees ordered when no music was playing. And we would do the same thing for each of the 3 different types of music. So for French music, what percentage of people ordered a French entree when French music was playing? That's 39 out of 75. So 52% of people ordered a French entree when French music was playing. I'll save us some time here and tell you 13% of people ordered an Italian entree when French music was playing. 1.3%, my mistake, 1.3% of people ordered Italian when a French entree was playing, and the remaining 46.7% ordered some other entree when Italian music was playing. When French music was playing. When Italian music was playing, 30 out of the 84 ordered a French entree. We already saw that's 36%. When Italian music was playing, 19 people ordered an Italian entree. 19 out of 84 is 22.6%. And when Italian music was playing, 35 people ordered some other entree out of 84, so that's 41.6% or 0.7%. I have some rounding here that I didn't show, so this was actually 35.7%. Okay, and all of these columns should each add up to 100%, right? They are all the people that ordered an entree when no music was playing is the first column. All the people that ordered an entree when French music was playing is the second column, and all the people that ordered ordered an entree when Italian music was playing is the third column. Okay. just to remind ourselves how conditional distributions work. That's all that Part A is about. Part B asks us to make an appropriate graph for comparing the conditional distributions in Part A. So we want to make one graph that compares the distributions. I personally like the stacked bar graph. There are different options that you can do here, but if we do a stacked bar graph, we can have a column for no music, a column for French music, and a column for Italian music. And so when no music was playing, we saw 36% ordered French, 13 ordered Italian, and 51 ordered some other entree. So let's see if we kind of draw a reference here. That's going to be the top of our bar graph. So we want to go all the way up so that all three columns are the same height, because we want to account for 100% of people in each situation. So let's see, in the no music category, 36% ordered a French entree, so a little bit more than a third ordered French. And let's have some sort of pattern here. Let's make just regular cross-hatching French entree. And then 13% ordered Italian, so that would take us right to about a half of the bar. And let's just make that polka dots. Sorry for the clicking, I forgot my mic at home today. And the top is the people left over. Let's just not put any pattern there. They ordered some other entree, not none, but some other entree when no music was playing. And then in the second column here, this is people who ordered entrees when French music was playing. Just over half ordered a French entree, so they get the crosshatch. And 1% ordered Italian, so that's a really tiny sliver. And you can see my diagram's not very good to scale here, but that's fine. This is just for the purpose of reviewing how this would work. And then in the Italian music category, 36%, again, that's right close to what we had in the first group, ordered French entrees when Italian music was playing. 23%, so that's going to take us a little past half, ordered Italian. And then the remaining group ordered some other entree. And again, my bars are bad enough. I'm going to try to fix them a little bit. They all should be a little bit taller than they are. And that'll get the proportions a little bit more accurate. Okay. So there's a bar graph to help us start to see if there's some sort of association. It does look like when French music was playing, more people ordered French entrees. When Italian music was playing, more people ordered Italian. It's kind of close between the first and third group here. And Part C asks us just to write a few sentences comparing the distributions of entrees ordered under the three music types. So I kind of just mentioned a couple things. When French music was playing, people were more likely to order French music or French entree. And similarly, less likely to order Italian. What else? When Italian music was playing, it was a similar situation. More people were, or I should say people were, more likely to order Italian when Italian music was playing. Okay. So again, that's really just taking a minute to review two-way tables and how two-way tables express data. That gets us our mind into the context that we'll be dealing with. What we're going to be trying to look at what we're going to be looking at in the rest of these videos for this section are how can we go from this informal observation of it looks like more people ordered French to running a significance test to actually compare the different populations and see if there is a statistically significant difference between the two groups, and we'll be using a chi-square test to do that.